windy day here where the Turning Stone entrance is still, main entrance is still closed, but it's going to open soon. And the reason is because there's progress. I was here a month ago. None of these windows were here and it was all just a shell. Soon it will be open and there will be a lot going on. Meantime, this is a windy day in late October. And as you can see, it's just going crazy here, crazy. Fountains getting blown all over the place. Yep. But that's the progress report from Turning Stone about 2 months after the last time I was here. Thank you.